It is a matter of immense honor and deep privilege to stand before this august gathering at the North Zone Conference of the National Legal Services Authority being held in the serene and historic city of Srinagar. I especially honor to represent the Union Territory of Ladakh, a land of breathtaking landscape, resilient communities and unparalleled spirit. This conference, presided over by the highest echelon of our judiciary, is not merely a ceremonial assembly, it is a reaffirmation of our collective constitutional commitment to the ideal of access to justice for all. It reminds us that the promise of justice enshrined in our constitution must not remain aspirational, but be realized in the lived experiences of the every citizen, regardless of their geography, gender, income, or social standing. The North Zone, with its remarkable diversity and complex socio-legal challenges, require a justice delivery system that is both sensitive and robust. For Ladakh, in particular, marked by its high altitude terrains, sparse population, and scattered settlements, the task is formidable. Yet, though the guidance of the Honorable Supreme Court and the High Court and the tireless dedication of the legal services machinery, we have made meaningful strides towards legal empowerment, awareness, and outreach. Promoted alternative dispute resolution mechanism through Lok Adalat. These initiatives reflect not just the reach of our institution, but the depth of our resolve. This conference is more than a forum for discussion. It is a platform for reflection, collaboration, and innovation. It allows us to introspect identity gaps, share best practices, and reimagine our strategies for inclusive justice. We have navigate a time of dynamic social change. It is imperative that we renew time of dynamic social changes. It is imperative that we renew our commitments to the constitutional vision as encapsulated in Article 14 and 39A to secure justice, social, economic, and political for all citizens. Let us remember that justice delayed is not only justice denied, but justice unreached is justice undone. It is our moral and constitutional duty to ensure that no individual remains unheard or unseen in the corridors of justice. Every citizen, no matter how removed or marginalized, must feel reassuring presence of the rules of law. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Jammu and Kashmir Legal Services Authority for their gracious hospitality and flawless organization of this significant event. Their efforts reflect the spirit and efficiency that derive our shared mission. Let us move forward with renewed resolve to bridge the justice gap, to translate constitutional ideals into action, and to ensure that it is not just delivered but felt every home, every hamlet, and every heart. Lastly, being representing the Union Territory of Ladakh, we are hopeful that Ladakh Union Territory will be provided a appropriate representation in the Honorable High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. With these words, I once again thank you to everyone.